Hello there, this is Eugene, board number 17, and I'm going to demonstrate this Morse code interpreter. It's going to take in the Morse code using the button, and then if it sees the temperature above 70, it's going to turn on the fan and the LED in the center of the field. It's also going to print out the numbers on the serial console. I made a little cheat sheet. It goes from low values to high values, so we see the fan turn on and off. And then hopefully it's all gonna work. Only concern is this button's been kind of buggy and this take 25. So let's see if it works better this time. So 12 dot dash 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 dot dot dash dash dash. And there we go. New temperature is 12:45 dot 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 dash dot 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 dot. New temperature is 45. Dash 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 dot dash 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 dash. Temperature is 90. The fan is spinning. And the LED is on. 78 now. Dash, dash, dot, 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 dash, 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 dot, dot. New temperature is 78. And fan is still spinning. LED is still on. Finally, dash, dot, 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 dash, dash, dot, dot, dot. New temperature is 67. The fan is off, and the LED is off. And that is it. This is my whole contraption. And you can see everything is in there. It's a linear switch. And I'm gonna put the code on GitHub, and hopefully you guys see it as well. Well, over and out.